Hi there guys, it's Tom Voyage here, and in this video we've got another oven review for you. This here is the Ballore pizza oven from a company called Pizza Party, and today we're going to be showing you it and cooking a pizza. Let's go. Now before we start this video, I wanted to say a big thank you to the guys over at Pizza Party who sent me this oven for this review. So the Bollore is a multi-fuel pizza oven, which means it can cook on wood or it can cook on gas. Today we're going to be cooking on gas, which is just with this attachment here. Very simple to install. You just slide it in, bolt it up, and you're ready to cook on gas. Now, as far as pizza ovens like this go, it was very simple to set up. It arrived on a pallet in a box. All I had to do when it arrived was open it up, lift it up onto this table, which was quite easy because this oven only weighs 50 kilos, it's not that heavy. Install the stones into the oven, install the chimney on top, put the gas burner in, and we were ready to cook straight away. Now, as you can tell, it's got quite a traditional look. It's got this nice brick front on here, and these are actually made in Italy, which is a sign of good quality. They come with Saputo pizza stones, which if you don't know are one of the top grade pizza stones that you can get, again made in Italy, and they're about 30 millimeters thick, so that's nice and thick. It's going to hold lots of heat, so you can cook many pizzas one after the other without losing too much temperature in the stone. They come in a range of colours. This one I've got here is gunmetal. They do one that's more of a green colour and then one that's more of a gold colour, all very nice. If you wanted some more information about the different colour options you can get, I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, the heat up time of this oven was actually very quick. It took 20 minutes before I was getting about a 490 degrees centigrade reading from the stone temperature. That's thanks to this huge gas burner that runs right the way along the side of the oven. Now, it probably uses quite a lot of gas because the gas burner is so big, but the plus side of that is you get up to temperature really quickly. Now, of course, the other advantage of using gas is it's really easy to regulate your temperature. You've got a nice dial here on the side, which you can turn up and down if you wanted to increase or decrease the temperature within that oven. So that's a little bit of information about the Bollore pizza oven from Pizza Party. But the proof is in the pudding. Let's get a pizza cooking on this oven and see how it looks. So you can see here that nice gas burner inside, providing a good hot flame on those thick Saputo pizza stones. So let's do a temperature check with our thermometer. So we'll go right in the middle there, and that's reading 484, which is the perfect temperature to cook a Neapolitan style pizza. Now, before we cook our pizza, if you are enjoying this video, please remember to give me a like and subscribe. If you've got any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Now, of course, if you did want some more information on this pizza oven, I'll leave some links in the description. That's where you can find information about the price in your area, the size, the weight of this pizza oven to make sure it's going to fit in your space in the garden. So as you can see, it's got a nice classic design with an emblem here and this kind of brick effect on the front. It's got a tapered edge. It comes up to a point in the middle, and from the inside it's got a domed ceiling, so those flames roll round the top, giving a nice even cooking surface across your pizza. And of course, with that brick effect on the front, it works well with the garden. Looks nice, nice feature for the garden. And it even says Passione Toscana on the front, which I don't speak Italian, so I don't know what that means. But maybe if you do speak Italian, you can tell me in the comments below. So here we have our Neapolitan style pizza. Let's get it on the Bollore pizza oven. So we'll go right in the middle of that stone there. Now, of course, this has got a 60 by 60 centimeter cooking area. So if you did want to, you could have two pizzas on this stone. We're just going to cook the one for today. Again, you can see that heat from the fire going right across the top of the pizza, and the heat that's captured in those Saputo pizza stones cooking the underneath. So we'll go right in now and give it our first turn. Cooking really quickly. And having that room in the oven to move it closer or further away from the flame makes it very easy. And also using the gas makes it very easy to regulate your temperatures within the oven. So you can see we're getting some nice leopard spots on our crust there. Now you might notice that there's no door on this oven. These have been specially designed to work without a door. And there you can see we've got our Neapolitan style pizza cooked on the Ballore pizza oven from Pizza Party. So as you saw, this pizza oven's very easy to use. It came up to temperature really quick, it took just about 20 minutes. And as a result of that heat captured in those Saputo pizza stones, we've got this lovely pizza. You can see we've got a nice crispy crust here as well. On the edge, all our toppings, nicely melted. Nice bake on the underneath too. Very happy with that. Now, if you've got any questions or comments about this pizza oven, you can leave them down below. If you wanted to know my pizza dough recipe that I used for this cook, I'll leave that in the description as well. Thanks very much for watching, and please join us next time for more pizza making videos. See you later.